Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the source and capture parameters so your recording has a clean baseline. First, set the recorder to your display's native resolution and select 60 frames per second if the system supports it. This preserves motion clarity. Next, pick the correct capture mode: game capture for GPU apps, window capture for single software, display capture for everything. Once done, close background apps and disable overlays so CPU and GPU headroom stays available for encoding. Now dial in the encoder and bitrate. These control both file size and visual fidelity. Choose a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync when possible, because it offloads work from the CPU, improving stability. Set target bitrate based on resolution and frame rate, about 10 to 20 Mbps for 1080p at 60 fps, and reduce proportionally for 30 fps. Use constant bitrate or constrained variable bitrate, and pick a preset that balances quality and performance so dropped frames don't ruin the output. Finish by verifying everything with short test recordings and then iterate. Record brief clips and check for stuttering, compression artifacts, or audio sync problems. Make incremental changes and retest. If you see frame drops or overheating, update GPU drivers and your recording app, switch encoder preset to faster, or drop bitrate slightly. For audio drift, enable hardware timestamping or set a fixed sample rate so tracks stay aligned. If issues persist, simplify the capture scene and try a different encoder to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.